If you want to clear your search history on Paramount Plus, follow these simple steps to ensure your viewing preferences remain private. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account preferences. Step 4. Find Search History. Look for an option labeled Search History or Viewing History within the account settings. Click on it to view your search history. Step 5. Clear Search History. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted, and your search history will be removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Paramount Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience with a clean slate.